Hey, it's Cyrus, and if you're feeling overwhelmed, let's pull a magic trick and get you out of that state faster than you can believe it. If you're not familiar with tapping, just start tapping the side of your hand. Take either hand and tap the side of your other hand. Don't overthink it, right below the pinky finger, and repeat out loud after me as you tap. Even though I'm feeling overwhelmed, I choose to love and accept myself. And now tap the top of the head right in the center of the head, even if it feels a little silly, and repeat out loud after me. Even though there's so much to do, and there's so much to worry about, and I just feel sort of helpless about that, I choose to love and accept myself. Now tap on the inside of the eyebrow, right between the eyebrows, and repeat, I feel like I can't handle all this. It's just too much. And I'm going to let that be okay for right now. And tap right beside the eye, either eye, tapping beside the eye, and repeating, I feel so much and I'm not even sure exactly what I'm feeling. All I know is it's just too much. And tap underneath the eye about an inch below the eye and repeat, even though it might feel difficult to accept myself in this state, I'm going to choose to practice accepting myself right now to the best of my ability. And tapping above the lip, right above the lip, and concentrating on the sensation of your fingers tapping right above the lip as you repeat out loud. There's too many things to worry about, and I feel like I just don't have the energy to do any of it. And tapping right below the lip and repeating, I care so much, but I feel like I'm not able to take action on what I care about when I feel like this. And that can be frustrating. But I choose to love and accept myself anyway, right now. And finally, tapping underneath the collarbone with both hands on the soft spot right beneath the collarbone, concentrating on the sensation of the tapping as you repeat out loud, I'm feeling way too much, but maybe it's safe to feel it. Maybe it's safe to allow some of this energy to pass through so I can get back to a calmer and clearer state. And now relax your arms by your side, find a comfortable, relaxed position, and close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through the nose and concentrate on the air as it goes in through the nose and into your chest and belly, and let it expand the chest and belly, and concentrate on the air as it slowly flows out through the mouth like you're breathing out through a straw. And then take another slower, deeper breath all the way down to your toes and concentrate on the flow of breath like it's a wave of energy going down to your toes. And then concentrate on the wave of energy coming back up the body and out through the mouth at a slow, deliberate pace. Great stuff. One last breath in a spacious way. Breathe into the whole body like you're breathing in through all the pores of your skin, expanding and filling up the body like a balloon, and then slowly letting it flow out of the entire body, decompressing and becoming more supple and relaxed as you feel the exhalation unwind effortlessly. And now imagine like the overwhelm you've been feeling is like a river of energy, a constellation of emotions that are bound up together, and we don't have to analyze them, we just want to let them flow and feel them like a river passing through. So that thing that your mind is calling overwhelm, if it feels safe, start to allow some of that energy to flow to the surface of your body. Even if it feels uncomfortable, even if it feels like some amount of pressure, see if it feels safe to simply allow it to rise to the surface of the body. And we're not going to get lost in thought. We're simply going to concentrate on where you're noticing it in the body. Maybe it's everywhere, or you might notice it's more concentrated in certain areas of the body, but start to tune in to where you notice it as you allow it to be felt. And let's acknowledge, yes, the mind is calling this overwhelm, but it's actually just energy flowing. So imagine like that wave is being given permission to flow through now if it feels safe, like you're releasing any grip on it. And you're simply relaxing and allowing it to make its way through your body, so it's not stuck in your system. And just concentrate on that wave of sensations as they flow through your body with no resistance towards it as you track it. And when thoughts come up, let them go and dive back into the river of energy. Dive deeper into the allowing, the non-resistance to that flow as you merge with the sensations that are flowing freely. And even though it might sound crazy, see if you can even enjoy this flow of energy that your mind labeled overwhelm. See if you can experience it as a flow of alive energy in the body. And even though there might be uncomfortable aspects to it, see if you can enjoy allowing it to flow through freely as a sensory river of aliveness, as you connect with it directly. And see if it's possible for you to surrender any remaining ounce of internal resistance. Notice what it feels like to truly release all tension or bracing against the feeling. Spontaneously observe what happens to the sensations as you observe them from that place. And maybe some of the sensations are starting to decompress and evaporate on their own, but in any case, ask a greater energy than you to take away any excess, anything that's not serving you. Literally ask in your mind to that greater energy, please take away anything I don't need. Please take this weight off of me. And simply relax and allow it to be vacuumed out of your body into the space of that greater energy. Don't think, just feel how as you open your energy system, The excess perhaps starts to effortlessly move out and up and through into the greater field of energy. Not needing to hold it or compact it in your individual system, but simply relinquishing it to the greater field. And becoming lighter and more spacious with each exhalation as you open deeper and deeper to the release of any tension. And start to become aware of the energies of courage, of capability, of determination, of peace. Start to notice what those energies feel like to you, what color and pattern and texture those energies have if you don't think about them too much, if you just sense what they feel like to you. And start to breathe them into your body in abundance. Don't think about it, just welcome them to flow freely through your whole system if it feels good. Allow them to grow stronger with each breath, to allow that capability, that determination, that focus and peace to grow more robust with each passing moment as you breathe it through your whole system. And now start to identify instinctively what are the top 2 or 3 priorities in your day today. And now instinctively put them in order from most important to next most important. To next most important. Don't think about it, trust your instincts. And now hold those second or third most important things as a possibility that you might get to, but just imagine that most important thing in your mind's eye. And see yourself taking the first step towards that thing. Notice and allowing any internal resistance you might feel to taking that first step, but seeing yourself taking the first step anyway, if it feels aligned to you. And notice how focusing on that first step allows you to relinquish overwhelm and reclaim your energy by focusing on one step at a time. Noticing how overwhelm happens because of accumulated suppressed emotions that we felt through and released. And also through looking at the top of the mountain of all the steps we think we have to take instead of honing in on the next most important step, which teaches our brain to give our nervous system the energy we need to take that step. So if it feels good, commit to taking just that first step as you come out of the meditation, or whatever instinctively feels right to you. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Notice how you feel compared to the beginning of the meditation. Reflect on what you're capable of and how quickly you're able to shift your state of mind and body if you're intentional and focused about it. And I invite you to come back and practice this anytime you notice yourself feeling that overwhelm, to gradually recondition your capacity to shift it. Thanks for taking the time, and I invite you to share this with anyone you think it might benefit, and I would love to hear your experience. Good luck taking that first step, and I hope you have an incredible day.